Hi guys, I'm Blessing from BB Forex Trading Strategies. Today's video I want to review to you the top one secret candlestick that most of us don't know. Most of us that is just starting forex trading, we don't know this candlestick. Most of us knows it. This candlestick help you and me to know when to enter and put your stop loss for small accounts. For small account to avoid pullback. If you are trading with $100 and above, no need to put your stop loss early. You can give gap because it will come back to the position if you are trading the trend. So guys, let's jump in. Let me show you the candlestick and how you can use it. And this candlestick, most of us knows it. It looks like this, and it is called DOJI candlestick. It is called DOJI candlestick, guys. You can equally see it this way also. You can equally see it in a very big body. You can equally see it like this, guys. It is called DOJI candlestick. DOJI candlestick, guys. But when you saw this candlestick, if for instance the market is buying now, you saw this DOJI candlestick, you say yes, I saw it, I will enter my market now. No, guys, don't enter the market now. You wait for another candlestick that will break this body here, guys, for buy. If it breaks here for buy, guys, you will enter. For instance, you see the candlestick in this way, going up in this way, guys. Candlestick going up and break the body in this way. It shows you that it will buy, guys. It will buy. But when you saw the candlestick comes below the DOJI candlestick, when it comes the DOJI candlestick in a downtrend, this one in downtrend, guys, going downtrend, you sell. But if you saw it like this in an uptrend, guys, don't sell because it might go back and start buying. So if you saw it like this when market is buying, don't buy. But if you saw it like this and market is buying, you are trading an uptrend, guys, then you buy. You put your stop loss below the DOJI candlestick. Stop loss below the DOJI candlestick if you are buying. But if you are selling, you put your stop loss above the DOJI candlestick for sale. Guys, when you buy, you can leave the market anytime you are okay with your profit. You can leave the market. If you are okay with 2 to 3 15-minute candlestick, you leave the market, guys. When you see the next candlestick, you add your profits. Don't be greedy in this market. Don't be greedy. Take when you saw it in green. Don't wait for it to turn red before you will leave the market. Leave the market when you saw the green. Because when you saw red, it might be hard to come back to green for you. So when you see the green and you are okay with your profit, you leave the market. This candlestick is very powerful one. It's very, very powerful one. Trade this one when it is in downtrend, and trade it in this way when it is in an uptrend. And don't enter when you saw the DOJI. You wait for the next candlestick to close before you enter for sale. Yeah, you put your stop loss up here, guys. Let me quickly show you this strategy here, guys. Let me show you guys. As you can see now, this volatility index 50 is selling, guys. It's selling. So let's check if we can spot it. So guys, here is one of it. Then you wait for this candlestick here. here is where I will enter my trade. If I am to enter this trade, I'll put my stop loss here, guys, in case of pullback. In case of pullback, you take your profits and you leave the market, guys. Don't wait for your profits to turn red before you will leave the market. So guys, let's check if we can see this candlestick. You can see this candlestick all the time when you are trading, guys. So guys, here is buying here now. It's in an upper Bollinger Band. You see this doji here now, guys. All people are seeing it, and you saw it. The next candlestick, you enter your trade here, guys. Here is where you enter. At the closing of this next candlestick, you enter, you put your stop loss here. Here is where I put my stop loss. I will take some candlestick. Let's check what this market is doing in daily time frame. Guys, it's buying. It's not selling. It's buying. It's buying. So anything we are doing here now, we will be buying. We will be buying, guys. So let's check, guys. As you all can see, here we have our small wick candle here, and we have long wick candle here, but you will not enter. You wait for this candlestick to close above, guys, and it close. You enter here, you put your stop loss, you take, because this our daily time frame, we are seeing the long green candlestick show us that it is buying. It is buying. So we buy, guys. You can see it here. You buy, you leave, guys. You buy, you leave. Don't wait for it to turn red. You will now regret why didn't you take your profits, guys. Always take your profits when it is in green. Don't wait for it to turn red, guys. Don't wait for it to turn red. You can equally scalp, but guys, I will not scalp. I will wait for it to buy, and I will buy, guys. See it here, guys. See the closing of the second candlestick. You enter, you take some profit, guys. You put your stop loss, you leave the market, guys. Let me check my crash 1000. Crash 1000, guys. Let's check what crash 1000 is doing in our daily time frame, guys. Crash 1000 is selling. Super is selling. Go back to your 15-minute time frame to look for an entry to sell. An entry, guys. People can see the red candlestick there, so you will be searching for sell, not buy, guys. So guys, as you all can see this candlestick here. Hope you can see it well, guys. See the closing of the second candlestick, guys. You enter here. Here is where you put your stop loss, because this market at times it can be volatile. Anything can happen, guys. You enter, you put your stop. Make sure you put your stop loss above this doji candlestick that you are seeing. You take your sell, you leave the market. You take your sell, you leave the market. But if you are having 100 and above, you can stay long. You can stay long. But if you are trying to grow your account, guys, take what you see and leave the market. Guys, see another one here. Here is another good one, and you see it closes below. Then you enter, you put your stop loss somewhere here. This is where you put your stop loss, and you take some spike, you leave the market, guys. Take some spike, you leave the market, guys. See, let me show you one thing. You see this one, see this body, you see the wick candlestick, guys. The next one closes with another wick 2 body candlestick, guys. Don't enter, you wait for the next one again. As you all can see, the next one went above, guys. I will not enter this trade. I will not mind. I will not enter because this one went up. My account is small, I cannot enter. But if your account is from 100, guys, you can risk it, enter, and you see. But guys, watch this one now here. Do you see it? And you see the next one, you close below, guys. I am entering this trade with confidence because I know it will come down. I'll put my stop loss here. See where I will put my stop loss, and I will take some spike, I will leave the market. I will take some spike, I will leave the market. Let's check if we can see for buy, guys. Let's check for buy. Wow, sorry, let me check for buy. You can still scalp it. Let me check. Let's go down, guys. Zoom it to 2 or 3 levels so that you can be seeing your candle and you know what is going on. Guys, see this doji candlestick here for a buy, and you see the next candlestick, it close above. Guys, you enter here, you put your stop loss here for your buy, for your trend. Guys, if it has to spike and comes and take you away, you leave from there, guys. But all you can see now, it went all above, and you take your profit, you leave for a buy. This is for a buy, guys. This is for a buy. So guys, you can use this strategy to trade both volatility index. You can use it to trade boom, guys. You can use it to trade boom. As long as you wait for this doji candlestick to come outside, you will not lose your money. There are many ways to trade this forex trade. There are many ways, guys. Many ways, just to know what works for you. You stand for what works for you. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers, those that came and subscribed to my channel. I say thank you all. I didn't take it for granted. I appreciate you guys all. For my returning viewers, thank you guys for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. If you are new and you are watching this video and you find it very, very interesting, guys, don't forget to click that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, share the video to your loved ones. Comment down below if you have any question. You can ask me, guys. I'll answer you on the comment section. So guys, try subscribe, support me by subscribing to my channel, guys. Let me show you volatility index before we leave. Let me show you volatility index. Okay, let's use volatility 10. Guys, let's check. But first, let me check my daily time frame to know what the market is doing. Wow, guys. Okay, as you can see, the market is, I'm seeing the green candles. You can scalp buy, but this market might sell. Or you can scalp buy and you can scalp sell. Let's check our 15-minute time frame and see. But always wait for all these candlesticks in case if you want to buy. Make sure it's above the middle Bollinger Band before you look for entry for buy, and below for sale. Below for sale. Let's check if we can see for buy. Guys, here is one here for buy. Guys, see the second one where it's up. But here now, if you are not careful, you will lose. If you are not careful, because this candlestick is very long. It's very long. If you are not careful, you will lose. Let's see this one, guys. You see this one here, you put your stop loss, but you, in this case now, you will not enter. You see, guys, see what this thing is doing, and this is in our upper Bollinger Band, so you cannot sell. If you sell, you will lose. So you just leave the market. As long as this candlestick did not close above, you leave the market. Let's check if we can see a very good one. So guys, here is a very good one here for sale, because this one closes here. Is very long. It's risky though, because it might went up. If your account is very small, you will lose, or fear will let you cut this. But when you see it in a small candlestick, closes in a small candlestick, guys, you can sell. You can sell this now. If you have up to 100 and above, you can enter it, because the candlestick is long, guys. The candlestick is long. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check, guys. Boom. Guys, if I saw this, I will enter the trade for a sell. See where it's closed here, and the body of the candles is not long. You can see it in a short form, guys. I will enter here now. I'll put my stop loss here, so that even if I am losing now, the loss will not be much. But when you enter the candle that is long up to here, guys, if you are losing now, you will lose a lot, guys. You will lose a lot. But when the candlestick is short, guys, even though you are going to lose this trade now, it will be a small thing that you will lose. But as you can see now, the trade came down. The trade came down. See, for sale, it came down very long. So guys, I will end this video here now. In case if you find it interesting, guys, please support me by clicking that subscribe button and watch this video to the end. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Thank you. See you guys on my next video.